Aloha, beautiful beings. Welcome to the planet Earth that I'm traveling on. I wanted to share a little exercise since I've been doing it. I wanted to share it live. It's called Dancing Prayer. This is how I dance a prayer beyond my mind, beyond words, and basically meditate with sound and my body and just become a prayer. So it's basically doing this. So first, just bounce and release a sound with ah. Like an erotic teapot, you go from bottom to up. So low voice to high voice, like this. Releasing all the neuroses. Feels really good. One more time. Beautiful. That kind of helps you get out of your mind once you start releasing those energies of the mind. So, next step is I dive into each vowel while bouncing to unlock those vibrations. Each vowel is like a medicine, and I allow it to vibrate in my body. So first is ah. Now and then e. Now that I've echoed every vowel in my body, I'm going to start dancing with each vowel, becoming the vowel and singing with each vowel individually. So why I'm doing this now is because I am birthing a new reality and my mind is kind of like interrupting the progress of the situation, and so I want to embody this like vibration that I feel is possible, this possible reality. I want to birth it into my body. So through sound, alchemy, and movement at the same time, I can dance this prayer and embody. It's like a moving sound meditation rather than just sitting and breathing and then getting out of the meditation and feeling like, okay, I'm back in reality. How do I incorporate this meditation? We're using both our voice and our bodies and our intention all at the same time while moving. So it's kind of like an embodied voice prayer meditation. So here I go with the ah. Close my eyes. What does an ah feel like? It's so simple. Like we used to do this when we were kids, right? And it's so powerful. And it's kind of like, oh, that's so simple. It can't be that powerful. But actually all the power lies within the simplicity and ease. So, it's really just following what feels good also with the voice. How could the voice be your medicine? And how could the movement be the medicine? How can the ah serve in your body as a medicine? And closing the eyes really helps. Feel into the body and detach from the external world. So, Now I'll move on to eh. Now I'll stop singing. Now I'll move on to eh. What does an eh feel like in my body? then mixing them all together, all the vowels, and just dancing your prayer through vowels. Thinking of that wound that wants to be filled, and dancing that void in between them, the wound and the gift. So imagining your song is being echoed out into all of the universe, because sound does travel like that, serving as medicine for all, because once we do things for beyond ourselves, we become a lot more than what we are in this very moment, which is our true essence. So to all beings. So that's a little taste of routines, morning routines that or daytime routines or nighttime routines that you can play with whenever you feel the need to connect to all aspects of yourself, voice and body and soul. Much love, and I'm traveling around doing play shops for inner child embodiment and remembering those tools we had as children, our innate powers, and using them in a shamanic way to heal ourselves and collectively rewrite the human tale. So if you know of a place in need of play medicine, I'm here. Ta-ta.